जागतिक नर्स दिसाच्या फाटभुयेर दि ट्रेंड नर्सेस असोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया गोयच्या शाखेवतीन जागतिक नर्स दिसाची कार्यावळ हॉटेल फिदाल्गो हांगासर घडोवन हाडली। नर्सी फुडाकार घेवन लोकांच्या भलायके खातीर वावरत असतात। कोविडा वेळार लेगीत नर्सींनी धाडस दाखोवन लोकांच्या भलायके खातीर वावुरल्यो। आमी प्रत्येक नर्सींचो सन्मान करपाक जाय अशें लेफ्टनंट कर्नल अर्चना माटा हांणी उलोवप केलें।
The theme, Our Nurses, Our Future, sets out for the nursing in the future in order to address the global health challenges and shine the light on nurses and on a brighter future, moving nurses from invisible to invaluable. In the eyes of policymakers, the public and all those who make decisions affecting the delivery and financing of the healthcare. This is the right time to support every nurse, every voice to not only be on the front lines of care but also be on the front lines of changes. We must support national and international campaign which will look at how we and our healthcare system must strengthen to address global healthcare demands. We need to learn from the lesson of COVID pandemic and translate into action of the future.